In this guide, I'm going to show you how to buy GTA 6 on Amazon for Xbox Series X or S. Tutorial, this is the easiest method. Before we get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. GTA. Also, real quick, I did just launch my ultimate Roblox game dev template, so if you ever wanted to make your own Roblox game, or maybe you wanted to make your own Roblox game even better, but weren't really sure where to start, just check out the Etsy links or the Gumroad links down in the description, and this is going to give you a full setup to build from, so you don't have to start from scratch. It is absolutely perfect, and it helps out the channel, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Begin by opening up Amazon and you need to search for GTA 5, GTA 6, it really doesn't matter. Just search for GTA and it'll pop up and you're going to see an option that looks something like this. Even if it says PlayStation, just go ahead and select it because what you need to go ahead and do is just open this up and then of course go ahead and select Xbox from here. Now, obviously GTA 6 is not released yet. It's going to say pre-order, so you want to go ahead and select pre-order, or if it's out, you could just hit purchase and it'll pop up on here as well. But just go through, select this, and then of course what it's going to do is it's going to ship you the game, and then of course you'll get it on the 12th, and then it'll be playable on the 9th when the game fully does release. You'll be able to enter that code before then as well. But it really is as simple as that. Just go and get it. Instead of getting that disc, you're going to receive a code. You just got to go to the Xbox store, open up the redeem code section and enter it here. After redeeming it, GTA 6 will be added to your Xbox account so you can download and play it when it is available. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.